In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word selection is locked. If you're seeing that message and you can't highlight or edit text, Word is most likely opening your file in a protected state. This usually happens in two common situations. Either Word has placed the document in protected view for safety, or the file itself is marked as read only in Windows. The good news is that both are quick to resolve once you know where to look. Start by opening your document in Word. As soon as it loads, glance up at the top of the window. If Word thinks the file might be unsafe or came from the internet or an email, you'll see a yellow information bar running across the top of the document area. It may say something like protected view or show a security warning. That's Word being cautious. If you recognize the file and trust where it came from, go ahead and click Enable Editing on that yellow bar. The moment you do, Word will switch the document out of its protected state and your selection and editing tools should work normally again. This is the most common fix, and it resolves the issue in just a single click. If you don't see that yellow bar or clicking Enable Editing isn't an option, the file might be set to read only at the file level. To change that, locate the document in File Explorer. Right-click the file and choose Properties. In the General tab, look near the bottom for the Attributes section. If Read Only is checked, uncheck it. Click Apply, then OK. This removes Windows Read Only flag from the file, which tells Word that it's allowed to make changes. After that, return to the document in Word, and you should be able to select text, type, and format as you normally would. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Only enable editing if you trust the file's source. Protected View is there to help keep your computer safe. If the yellow bar appears consistently for files you know are safe, it's often because they were downloaded or sent by email, which is normal. And when you clear the read-only attribute, you're simply allowing the file to be edited on your device, which is essential if you need to make and save changes. That's it. By enabling editing from the yellow bar or removing the read-only attribute in File Properties, you'll unlock your selection in Word and get right back to work.